Welcome guys to a new video. In this video we will show you guys how you could have traded this area right here. This was sent out to our members, and many members catched this trade. We have also highlighted this on our community posts, and let's get straight to the video. So, starting off, basically what we can see here is that basically price was going higher and higher here, okay, and basically breaking a previous market structure, okay. But since we came at this point right here, we have enough information to basically start looking for our trades. All right, so what happens here is that basically we saw market structure shifting. All right, so basically price was reacting off of this level, but it was continuously breaking market structure to the downside, and this is a key thing that we have to take in consideration while trading, because this could mean that eventually a lot of players were active at this point right here, okay, this basically level right here, because we have seen very aggressive sell-offs. So in this case, there are two things that we could do, okay. We could basically look at the original level where basically price have reacted from, right? So this would be the original level where we have reacted from, or we could just disregard that original level. Since price has broken market structure again to the downside, we can be looking at this supply level, okay. So basically what will happen in this case is we will be looking at this level right here, and this would be the right level to be looking for some trades. Let me get a bit more replay, okay. So this was the point where we have seen the market structure shift, all right, and basically have validated our area, okay. So of course there were some minor levels along the way, and some of our members traded it. This was a minor level before basically price reaching our major supply level. So what we can see is basically we saw price initially reacting here off this minor 4-hour zone, okay. So this was basically also a very easy trade, and was also sent out to all of our members, and many of us catch this move down right here, okay. So this was a very interesting move down, and could be also easily traded, and the possibilities for it was plenty, okay. So we could have had 4-1, 5-1, so these were all possible positions that you could have taken from this area, as this is basically the same thing right here we have seen. Before continuing with the video, if you're interested in our services, all you have to do is go to our bio, okay, scroll down, and you will have 3 links, okay. So the first link will take you to our trading book, which will teach you exactly how we trade and how we trade, okay. So you will have our entries, how we do our analysis, from where we started, etc, basically all in a written format, all right. So this would be our book, okay. We have as well our lifetime membership, where you will have weekly live streams. You will have access to our trading book. You will get access to our trading courses, and eventually learn to trade like us, like you can see here. And the last is our mentorship, all right. So if you're interested in learning more, understanding our trading system more, and if you need a bit more help, this will be the right thing for you. So see you on the other side. Price stopping, okay, and then breaking previous lows, okay. So basically which turns this level valid as well. So in this 1 week we had multiple trades from that one impulsive move to the downside, as it has formed 2 supply levels, Okay, so after this level was already reacted from, what we expect is that price, if it comes more and more into that level, usually it gets weaker, and this means that it could be building up liquidity to get into these higher levels right here. So what do we see? Price comes into it again, reacts a bit, and this is where we have seen price come into this zone. Okay, so once price, so once price comes into that zone, this is where it gets interesting for us. What I want you to take close attention to is this high right here. Okay, so usually if something is very, very, very obvious, you will get a liquidity run like this. Okay, and this makes your signal even better. All right, so in this video we won't be going into the 4 hour and the 15-minute, as this would be making this video too extensive. But in this case, what we will look like is for a liquidity run in this case. Okay, so basically price taking our previous highs, and then we will be looking to trade it into eventual lows. All right, so at this point you could be looking at entries on the 15 minutes. So let's say we have entered at this point, okay, and we are looking for potential targets. In this case, we have to see where liquidity is sitting below. We have liquidity up below these lows. We have liquidity below these lows, okay, and we have that ultimate low. Okay, of course you could have held it to this ultimate low, but if you hold it to the ultimate low, you have to have a bit more patience, and this is not as easy as it seems like. So this target would be the easiest one. Okay, and even if you would use the closest target, in this case around here, the first liquidity level, this would be still a 4-to-1. So you have a 4-to-1, a 6-to-1, or an eventual 8.7-to-1. Okay, so this would be all valid targets, and this would be the trade. All right, so this would be more of a swing, intra-week swing, and let's see how it will play out. Okay, so get back here. Okay, so how would it play out? First level would get hit, price stops, and then second level gets hit. Okay, so this would be a 4, 8, 12, 16 hours trade to basically hit this second target, okay, which would be even a reasonable target. But what we can see, price after 20 hours basically hits the ultimate low right here. So this is a textbook trade. Okay, we have many things speaking for us. Breakout structures to the downside. We have seen liquidity run above. So this would be a perfect trade for us. Okay, and you will see more and more of this in the future, basically explaining our full trades, how we take them, and what we look after in the market. All right, so I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next video.